Hey, buenos dias. This is John Bannerman from PacificRealtyMexico.com, coming to you from Puerto Escondido, Mexico. Today, I want to take a little bit of time to talk about real estate conditions and drivers in real estate pricing. You know, we've all heard about interest rates and world economy and supply and demand, but today I want to focus more on a micro level. What in Puerto Escondido is happening that's going to affect the pricing of real estate? Those of you that have been following me know that I've been talking for quite a while about this super highway that connects Puebla and Oaxaca City to Puerto Escondido. It basically cuts off 4 hours drive time from places like Mexico City and others. So people can now drive here instead of fly. We already see a big uptick in the amount of traffic and people wandering the streets in Puerto Escondido on weekends and holidays, because it's easy enough for people to get here. The other big drive factor is the multi-billion expansion of the international airport here in Puerto Escondido. It's well underway. We've got another year or so of construction. We already have international flights flying nonstop into Puerto Escondido, and more being scheduled for September. Another huge driver that will put pressure on real estate prices going forward. And the third factor is that people have found us. You know, I used to talk in the past about people starting to find us. Well, they're here now. And when I go back to Canada in the summertime and I talk about where I am, people know. They've heard of the name. If they haven't been here before, they know somebody has been here before. And they just know what a welcoming and safe community that we have here in Puerto Escondido. It's a real gem. So what's new at Pacific Realty? Well, in addition to Vivo Resorts, which is probably the most advanced, developed, and has the most amenities of any residential resort on the Oaxacan coast, we've added OCN, which is just down the beach from us, a very different offering. And in the fall, we'll have a third developer that we'll add to the list. What does that mean to you as a buyer? We'll have a little of something for anyone. All different products, all different price points. One thing will be in common, though, is that the prices will be higher in the fall than they are right now. So if you can book sooner than later, I would recommend that you do so. If not, early fall is a great time to come. We are organizing some group buyers, but what that means is you come down with your partner or by yourself, and we bring other people down to join you, and we tour together. So we go and explore the town and the area together. We share some meals together and look at different real estate together. And it's a fun way to kind of do a mix of a vacation and see some real estate at the same time. So call me, email me, go to our website, look at the current listings, follow along on YouTube, or search us at PacificRealtyGroupMexico.com. And it doesn't matter how you reach out, just reach out and connect with me and let's talk. I'd love to get you a great price on your future dream home. Thanks, and see you soon.